To access Bixby without using physical button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, as the example, we will do so by using 3 different ways. First, by saying the selected voice wake up. By default, the voice wake up is "Hi Bixby." Second, by using the Talk to Bixby option on the Assistant menu, assuming that you have enabled Assistant menu feature on your phone, you can add Talk to Bixby item to the Assistant menu so you can use it to access Bixby. To do so, tap the Assistant menu icon and then tap Menu Setting. Tap Select Assistant menu items and then tap Talk to Bixby at the bottom section to add it to your Assistant menu. Once done, now you can access Bixby by tapping the Assistant menu icon and then tap Talk to Bixby. Third, by using swipe gesture. To use this way, you have to make sure that the Digital Assistant app is set to Bixby and the Assistant app option in the navigation bar menu is on. Now, to set Bixby as the default Digital Assistant app, go to the Setting menu. Scroll down the screen to find Apps. Tap Apps. Tap Choose Default Apps. Tap Digital Assistant app. Tap Digital Assistant app. And then select Bixby Voice. Tap OK button on the pop-up to continue selecting Bixby as the default Digital Assistant app. Next, to enable the Assistant app option in the navigation bar menu, go back to the Setting menu. Scroll up the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Navigation bar. And then tap the gray on offset next to Assistant app until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When you have set Bixby as the default Digital Assistant app and the Assistant app option is on, now you can access Bixby by swiping inward from one of the bottom corner of the screen like this. So, those are 3 different ways that you can use to access Bixby without using any physical button. If you have other way to access Bixby that has not been listed here, you can share it through the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.